Hello everyone and welcome to this new episode of Driven by Drivers. In today's episode we are upping the value of our cheap Fiesta. I've listed a playlist about this car in case you haven't seen the full story yet. So recently we went on a trip and that gave me some time to think about stuff. One of the thoughts that crossed my mind on this inspiring journey was that I wanted to up the value of our Fiesta. The footage I'm showing you is absolutely not the trip I'm talking about. These are just random clips I found on the internet. It's pretty amazing what you can find on the internet. You would not believe your eyes. Anyway, I'm talking about my trip to the supermarket. In there, I walked past the cleaning supplies and that gave me some good inspiration. So in the last video you saw my cleaning skills and that's not so good. So I decided to leave this to Wouter and his twins. We, and by we I mean he, started by watering the car. I guess he's trying to make it grow or something. He then started petting the car and apparently the car got so excited from it that it started to drip some white stuff all over the place. At this point I was pretty sure that Wouter knew what he was doing, so I decided to leave them. If you compare it to plants, this is probably my knowledge about washing cars, so I think it's better to just turn up the music and keep my mouth shut. So the seats of this car are really dirty and apparently somebody, and I'm not gonna tell you who, has been smoking in the car, so the car needs a really good clean on the inside as well. I started by giving the car a quick vacuum and that already made a huge difference. The carpets and floor mats are in pretty good condition, but the seats, they are all greased up and they really need some work done. I used a simple degreaser to get the stains out of the fabric and I used a steam cleaner to not get the chair too wet. I then used a water resistant vacuum cleaner to get all the dirt and grease out of the chair. This already made a huge difference, but it took me a couple of passes to really get the dirt out of the chair. The passenger seat was a little less worse, but I still gave it the same treatment as the driver's seat. Even though the passenger seat looked a little less worse, you can really tell how much is coming out of this chair. I then treated both seats with a proper fabric cleaner and to finish off I gave it a last steam clean as well. Because the seats need to dry up before I can show you the final result, I will show you that in the next video. As well as what we plan to do with this car in the future. For now, thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.